Hi, Lenny Wennerstrom. I want to give you my review on GroovePages. Let me just tell you this. You're going to have your mind blown. If you haven't ever worked with something like ClickFunnels or Kartra or even Kajabi, if that's all a different language to you, just know this. It's mind-blowing. It's everything all in one. GroovePages is created by Mike Filsaime. I have been following Mike Filsaime for, a million years. And it's been a really long time, probably since 2011 or 12. And he created Webinar Jam and EverWebinar I forgot something else, but it was Webinar Jam. And he's created a lot of stuff. And he was also a co-founder of Kartra. And the guy never stops learning. In fact, he left his partner, Andy Jenkins, from Kartra because Andy didn't want to grow any bigger or do anything, do bigger, better, all of that. Mike has always wanted to do like the biggest in technology. And he always says, GrooveFunnels, and I say GroovePages, but the whole set together, everything, it's like a suite of products, is GrooveFunnels. So it's a funnel builder. It's a page builder and a funnel builder. And there you can get a free copy of that, or a free membership into that. And you can build up to 3 domains. Mike is one of the most generous entrepreneurs that I know in the internet marketing business. That man he gives bonuses whenever you do things. So I was introduced to him through getting my Webinar Jam for free for life, which I used, and it was wonderful. I have my notes, so sorry, I have my computer right here, but he just gives and gives and gives. And when he moved away from Kartra, 2 years later, he started creating this beautiful, it's like a symphony of products. So, but what you get for free, he started this because when I was talking about his generosity, it's because when COVID hit in March, he took like the heart of this suite of products, which is GroovePages, GrooveSell, and GrooveAffiliate, and he gave them free for life, to whoever wanted it, just to get a free account so they could start making money, because people were losing their jobs. People were getting 5 and 10 and 15 and 20% off of their salaries cut. It's like that was his contribution. He and his partners, they're so generous with everything. And so that is the heart of the Groove products. And so you can get that today for free, and it works with, and it's really funny because Jason and Barry, what they did with SAS affiliate is they built it off of GroovePages, the free, being able to have such beautiful websites, building pages, and then ranking it, because I listened to one webinar with Mike Filsaime, and he was talking to Mike Long, who, if you join SAS affiliate, you'll get to know very, very well. That guy all these people are like multimillionaires, right? But they're just down to earth people. They're just people like you and me, and they just have learned how to rank their sites and do it very, very effectively, which is what SAS affiliate is all about, and it's wonderful. But they're just really beautiful, beautiful people. And what Mike was what Mike Filsaime was telling Mike Long was that it's all SEO optimized. So you cannot in WordPress or ClickFunnels and I can't explain it because I'm not a tech person, but things have to talk to this or that or whatever, and it slows it down. So when Google has to go in to various pages, it gets slowed down by images, or it gets slowed down because it has to like knock on the door. This is how Mike Filsaime said, yeah, you knock on the door, yeah, who is it? Oh, it's ClickFunnels. oh, okay, well, let me check this, let me check that. And then, you don't see that, but that's what happens when the computers are talking to each other. And so when Google gets there, it has to like wait, and it has to, and its spiders are trying to index. And then I also understand that I didn't know this either, but when Google spiders go through, it costs them money. And so what Mike Filsame did, brilliant. What he did with GrooveFunnels is he created it to be basically, instead of what we call SEO, search engine optimization, he calls it GEO, Google engine optimization. So it's it goes, Google goes in and loves GroovePages. So if you're building on the GroovePages platform, your site is going to rank it. Mike Long, who's an SEO expert, said that you have at least $500 worth of SEO on your page just going in. Like, even if you didn't have your keywords or anything like that, it's already going to rank because Google loves it. And it's not because it's GrooveFunnels. It's because it's your page built on that platform, because it's so simple to be it can just index it so quickly. It doesn't get stopped by images or anything like that. Again, I'm not techie, so I can't explain all that. But it's a beautiful match made in heaven, this SAS affiliate and then GroovePages. So I really hope that you, having it be SEO optimized is such, even if you're on another platform, at least get it and try it. And because it's free, what is it going to cost you? And you get it for life. And you can have up to 3 domains, especially if you're doing affiliate, different affiliate, you're not representing, what am I trying to say? That you are, you're promoting different affiliates, then you can have 3 domains to do that. Or you could just have your own personal website. It doesn't really matter. It's just a beautiful, beautiful symphony. These two together, just all of it is amazing. So let me just tell you what else is in there. Let me look at my notes right now. Let me see what is very exciting for you to know. Oh, by the way, Mike Filsame, one of the best SaaS, service as a software genius, is alive, and he is. He's a legend in this field. I know what I want to tell you. So if you actually, and the price is going to go up, by the way, but if you upgrade, and let me see, it's going to be going up soon, like $500 more, like for the full amount. But you can just get the GroovePages for free, which gives you Groove Affiliate and Groove Sell, which, by the way, means that you can sell anything. I mean, you can sell, because you're going to be able to hook PayPal or PayPal or Stripe or anything like that. You can plug that in, because that's what Mike wanted everybody to do when they lost their jobs and stuff, be able to sell something and be able to make money online. So it's a really pretty thing. But what was I going to tell you? Oh, I know. So anyway, there's just so many other things about Groove, the Groove family. The training, by the way, is off the charts. And it's like SAS affiliate. These people all know each other, but I mean, it's just like in GrooveFunnels, they have, and I think you can actually just go get a free account even if you don't sign up for a GroovePages affiliate. But why wouldn't you? But you can get a free account, and you can go to, I think it's GrooveDigitalAcademy.com, and you can see the training for yourself. It's off the charts, the training. It's amazing. And the people that are in there and how they train, it's, again, step by step. They really teach you how to get your everything online. But I'm just really excited. Let me tell you why I'm excited about GrooveFunnels. It's because, like, I have Wistia. That's $297 a year, or actually it's like $247, I think. But also, then if you get the full suite, then you get Groove Mail, Groove Video. So Groove Mail, I don't have to pay for MailChimp. Groove Video, you don't have to pay for Wistia or Vimeo. Groove Member, you can have your own Thinkific or Optimized Press. You don't, and which I always had to upgrade with Optimized Press, or Kajabi or Learn It Live. So you got that going. You got Groove Blog, Groove Desk, so you don't have to have Zendesk. And then WordPress, like for me, WordPress was so, with all of the apps and everything, that was, I still have, because I have a blog, I mean not a blog, I have a podcast, and so I still have to have it because that hasn't come yet, but I'm hoping, but till then I'll still have my WordPress site, but I'm going to move all the pages over, I'm just going to leave that one on WordPress. Then you have Groove Calendar, so no Calendly, or Acuity, because I have Acuity, so I won't have to pay for that. There's Groove Survey, so no Survey Monkey. Groove Cart, oh my gosh, you can sell anything. It's like Shopify, but on steroids. It's amazing. It is incredible. You know, if I sound excited, it's because I am. I got into it. I backed Mike because I trust Mike, and I've been with him for so long. But I backed him. That was I think it was like October when he first started. Pay, I think it was $497, to get this, and then another $497. But so I backed him right away because I knew it was going to be a beautiful, beautiful thing that he created, and I believe in him. And I have not been disappointed. Have there been some bugs? Yeah. Are there? By the time you listen to this, it'll have gone pro, and those bugs will more than likely be gone. So actually, there's hardly any bugs anymore. I mean, it was just, they were just creating it. It was in beta, so we were able to. What a fabulous gift to us to be able to beta test along and say what the things that we wanted, and and be able to, and you can still do that. They're so hands-on, and everybody in the community is communicating, and you can always say if you want something or you don't. And I know this review is going a little long, but I want you to understand the power of it more than anything, of how beautiful this is. It's I keep saying symphony because it is. It's like all these little instruments that come together, and then SAS affiliate just is like the cherry on top to take you to that. I mean, you have this beautiful platform, and then you build these beautiful sites, and then they go poof, they rank, right? Because of SAS affiliate, because you get all these SEO secrets of how and where to put your keywords, and it's beautiful, the two together. So anyway, but that is my review. That's how I feel about GrooveFunnels, and I really highly encourage you to get your, at least your free account, and tell your family, like if you have a spouse, have them get their free account, because then you can have 6, right? So you can have 6 affiliates sites products that you are promoting, and tell your children that are of age, tell your friends, and plus oh my gosh, the commissions that you make on that. Again, we're talking about affiliate fees, right? So $580 for every full sale. At this point, the price is going to go up, so you'll make more if they buy the full thing. And I don't know the full program. And I don't know how long they're going to have that full program. It's going to be close to $2,000 rather than, I think it's $1,397, but I know it's going up by $500. And then again, it'll be worth it. So, but it's even more worth it, $500 less. But if you do buy it, and you buy through my link, I have this incredible bonus for you. So, when you purchase, go through my link to sign up, and then just email me, and I will send you this amazing bonus of a webinar that you're just going to like go bonkers over, just like I did. It's one of my favorite webinars. So with Mike Filsame, and very powerful. You will learn a lot. Anyway, I love you incredibly mucho, and thank you for taking the time to listen to my review of GroovePages, GrooveFunnel. And I really hope that I will see you in the community. And just like SAS affiliate, when you join, please tag me in the community, and let me know that you're there, so I can welcome you properly, and just be so excited for you and celebrate with you that you are a part of that community, and for all the good things that are going to happen in your life. Well, they're going to happen anyway, but GrooveFunnels and SAS affiliate make it even happen a little more quickly. So I love you mucho. Have a fantabulous day. Ciao.